Vericom's VGC one-step termination tool can be used for the simultaneous seating and quick termination of 23 to 24 AWG Category 6 and 5e cable into our VGC CAT6 and CAT5e 90-degree Keystone jack modules. The VGC one-step termination tool allows for easy one-handed operation to punch down and cut all wires with one motion. It has a comfortable grip for optimum leverage and minimizing fatigue, and terminates jacks with unmatched accuracy up to 8 times faster than traditional termination tools. To make a termination, first arrange your Category 6 or 5e cable into the appropriate 90-degree Keystone jack module, and then place the jack into the termination tool. Fully and firmly squeeze the handle to seat the wires and trim the cables. For more information on Vericom's VGC one-step termination tool, or any of our data cabling solutions, contact us today.